how to make money on Upwork as a voiceover artist. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money from your skill on Upwork. So the first thing you're going to do is go to upwork.com, click on the get started button to create your account, and after you log in with your email and you set the password and all of that, then you will proceed to this page where you will tell Upwork about yourself. You'll upload a resume of yourself, you import it from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume, or you can just fill it manually. So for me, I'm going to go with filling out it manually. And here, click on edit existing profile. I'm going to go back, click on fill out manually, start a new profile, and here you choose your skill quickly. So for me, it's a voiceover artist. Then click on next, and here let's just skip this for now. Same thing, skip, and here you choose the languages that you speak and you choose the proficiency in that language. I'm going to go with fluent, then click on next, and here you add your skills. You can add max 15 skills. For me, it's voiceover. I'm going to go with voice and tone consistency or not. Let's go with voice acting. Then click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, like this one for example. And if you have a bio, you can enter it in here. If not, to make things easier, just go to ChatGPT and here tell ChatGPT, I'm a voiceover artist. Let's start again. I'm a voice over artist. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile. Then click on send. So here just copy this bio and take it to Upwork like this. And here you leave your bio in here, remove these commas, and that's it. Then click on next, choose your category, and here you search for a service. Let's see, engineering, sales, translation, legal. Let's go with creative to see if we can find it in here. Video, photography, brand, audio, and music production. I think this is it. So you can choose up to 15, I guess, or we can just choose one. Then click on next, set your rate, and here you choose your hourly rate. Let's go with $19. And here the important thing is to upload a photo of yourself, of your face, of course. So guys, make sure to upload a professional picture of your face. Don't upload an animation or a picture generated by ChatGPT or something like that. upload your own picture, your own usual picture, and it will be best if it's a professional picture. Then fill these information and then you click on review your profile. After that, after you create your profile, you will come to the dashboard of Upwork. If you want to find work, you just go to find work in here, click on it, or you can choose ways to earn if you don't have any skills, or if you have skills, you can just click on find work for your skills. So let's click on find work for your skills, and here you can just search for a type of work. Here you type your skill like voiceover, male voiceover artist if you are female, and here, and as you can see, this is all the people that are looking for voiceover artists and how they are paying and the jobs that they want to do. So as you can see in here, we have anime voiceover actor wanted with experience narrating YouTube videos and all of that. And here, as you can see, this is the description of the job. You can see more, intermediate, and the fixed price of the job. And here we have, I need a voice actor for my YouTube channel. You have $15 fixed price. You can see more in here. And as you can see, we have a lot of jobs in this platform, and you can apply for all of these jobs, or you can apply for one or anything you like. And here you can load to see more jobs. And if you want to improve your profile, after you create your profile, you will need to improve it, of course, to get more jobs and to make people come to you for hiring you. The first thing you'll do is go to find talent and go to post a job and hire people. So here, just click on this one. And here you can just search for a talent. You can go with voiceover. So you do this to spy on your competitors, to see what they are doing, what are the tactics that they are using, and try to use them for yourself to get clients like them. So here, just type voiceover artist. And let's see what we can find. So as you can see, this is a professional voiceover artist. He gets $25 per hour. He earned more than 50K, and he's a top rated plus. So you can check these people's profiles and try to see what they are doing and what are the jobs that they are doing, the bio. Try to improve your own profile by spying on the profiles of your competitors. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.